Hey everyone, I'm Lila, originally from Kyoto but now hanging out in Tokyo. Welcome to our journey through the amazing world of Japanese food. If you're visiting Japan, this channel is just for you. I'm here to help make your trip unforgettable with insider tips that'll make your travel super effective. This time, I'm your go-to gal for exploring Japanese cuisine. Welcome to our journey through the diverse world of Japanese food. Visiting Japan, trying out the local cuisine is definitely a highlight, right? What's your favorite Japanese dish? Sushi? Tempura? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite Japanese dish is and why. I'm curious to see if there are any hidden gems I did not know and everyone should try. Well, there's a whole lot more to Japanese food than just those. Japan offers a vast array of noodle dishes, including ramen, udon, and soba that are totally worth trying. Stick with me till the end of this video and dive into some new culinary adventures. We'll be breaking it down by price range, so let's get started. First up, we've got the high-end spots. We're talking Kaiseki Ryori and Kappo cuisine. These places usually run between 20,000 to 50,000 yen, $130 to $350. You'll need a reservation for these spots. It is not an everyday food for Japanese people, but more for celebrating special occasions or hosting very important business dinners. If you're in Japan, definitely try to dine at one of these upscale establishments at least once. You're in for a treat with the luxurious dishes they serve. Some luxurious ryokans even offer kaiseki meals as part of the experience. Sushi also gets pricier if it's not from a conveyor belt place, costing about the same, 20,000 to 50,000 yen. At a sushi restaurant, you can sit at the counter or at a table and watch the sushi chefs work their magic. Start with an omakase, chef's choice, menu, then order your favorite pieces after that. Specialty shops like sukiyaki, shabu-shabu, and teppanyaki where they focus on wagyu beef also fall into the higher price category. If you're not sure how to eat sukiyaki or shabu-shabu, the servers will gladly show you the ropes. At teppanyaki places, the chef cooks meat and veggies right in front of you, making for a fun experience. You can book these fancy spots through websites like Ikkyu. Check out the link for more details, and use Google Translate to view it in English on your PC. Now, let's shift gears to more casual dining options. These meals typically cost around 3,000 to 8,000 yen. Well, there's a whole lot more to Japanese food than just those. After talking about sushi and high-end dining, let's not forget about unagi, a beloved summer delicacy. Unagi, or freshwater eel, is usually grilled and glazed with a sweet soy-based sauce, making it irresistibly savory and slightly sweet. It's most commonly served on a bed of rice in a bowl known as unadon. This dish is not only delicious but also considered to boost stamina and vitality. Especially appreciated during the hot summer months. If you're in Japan during this season, trying unagi is a must to experience a cherished culinary tradition. Next, let's talk about izakayas. These are places where you can really soak up Japanese food culture. Order a variety of dishes and share with your group. Some popular choices include fried chicken, yakitori, and sashimi. Enjoy these with a drink. Many izakayas offer all-you-can-drink specials for about 2,000 to 2,500 yen, $13 to $17, allowing you to explore all sorts of beverages you might not know yet. Izakayas are great for hanging out with friends. I would like to heads up on a toshi at izakaya. Foreign visitors might be surprised to find an unfamiliar dish on their bill at a Japanese bar or izakaya. This is a toshi, a small appetizer served automatically upon ordering drinks. Think of it like an Italian copertu, but with a twist. Instead of a straight cover charge, a toshi functions as a complimentary appetizer, with a catch. It's typically a small, cold dish chosen by the chef to whet your appetite while your drinks arrive. While you can't choose the atoshi, you are allowed to politely refuse it if you don't want to pay the charge. However, if the establishment clearly states outside that atoshi is mandatory, it's best to respect their policy. Casual category price less than 2,000 yen equals $13. In the casual dining scene, you'll also find ramen shops, curry houses, beef bowl restaurants, and yakitori spots. These places are perfect for enjoying tasty meals without breaking the bank. Ramen, for instance, comes in many flavors like soy, salt, miso, and pork bone. Other common dishes include gyoza and fried rice. Savory and slightly sweet Japanese curry is usually served over a generous helping of rice, eaten with a spoon. It's a popular choice among children. Originating from India, it has evolved into one of Japan's comfort foods. Tokyo, a melting pot of regional flavors. While Tokyo doesn't have its own signature udon or ramen style, it offers a fantastic variety of regional specialties. Udon. Tokyo udon features noodles made with bonito flakes, resulting in a dark soy sauce-colored broth. In contrast, Kansai udon boasts golden noodles bathed in a kelp-based soup stock. You'll also find curry udon, a delightful combination of fragrant curry and savory udon. Ramen. Tokyo serves ramen from all over Japan. Hokkaido offers miso ramen, Kyoto boasts a rich and flavorful style, and Yokohama is known for its ramen with a generous amount of back fat in the broth. Kyushu ramen is known as tonkatsu, white pork bone broth ramen. Ichiran is the ramen shop with tonkatsu. Soba is another affordable Japanese dish. While you can enjoy it warm, soba is especially delicious when served cold. After finishing your noodles, you'll be offered soba-yu, the water in which the soba was boiled. Pour this nutrient-rich water into your remaining soup and drink up. Soba-yu contains beneficial nutrients like vitamin B1 and rutin from the buckwheat, allowing you to savor the flavor and gain some health benefits too. Conveyor belt sushi serves sushi that circulates on a conveyor belt, allowing you to pick your favorites as they pass by. Prices per plate range from 100 yen to 500 yen. However, due to changes brought about by the COVID, the traditional method of grabbing rotating sushi has evolved. While you can still enjoy sushi from the conveyor, ordering via tablets has become more common to enhance safety. Additionally, conveyor belt sushi restaurants now offer Izakaya-style dishes such as fried chicken and salads. Don't miss out on the crab and shrimp miso soup, it's a standout dish that's definitely worth trying. Tonkatsu is a classic Japanese dish where you take thin pork cutlets, season them with a bit of salt and pepper, coat them in flour, dip them in egg, and then bread them with panko breadcrumbs before frying them up. They turn out super crispy on the outside and really juicy inside. Usually, it's served with some shredded cabbage, rice, and miso soup on the side. There's also another great dish made with tonkatsu called katsudon. For this one, you simmer the tonkatsu in a sweet and savory broth with onions and eggs, and then serve it over a bowl of steamy rice. The pork gets all tender and the eggs are just lightly cooked, soaking up all that delicious broth. Both dishes are super tasty and comforting, definitely favorites for their straightforward yet rich flavors. For something uniquely Japanese, try an okonomiyaki restaurant where prices range from 1,000 to 2,000 yen. Okonomiyaki shops sometimes let you cook your pancake right at your table. And don't miss out on takoyaki, especially in Osaka, where it's a daily staple and generally cheaper than in Tokyo. A lunch set, often called a teishoku in Japan, is a popular choice for a midday meal. It's a complete meal for one, typically including a main dish like meat or fish, a bowl of rice, miso soup, and one or two small side dishes. The sides could be anything from simmered veggies to salads, depending on what's in season. It's a great way to enjoy a quick, nutritious, and tasty meal. Even upscale and mid-range spots often have more affordable lunch menus, so be sure to check them out for a taste of Japan's food culture without spending a fortune. The final range is budget-friendly. If you're pressed for time and can't dine out, convenience store bentos are a great option. The prices are super affordable, but don't let that fool you. That's because each convenience store puts a ton of effort into researching and perfecting their recipes all the time. They're easy to grab, heat up in the store's microwave, and you'll get a genuine taste of Japanese food culture right there. They offer a variety of items from rice balls and sandwiches to noodles and soups. Since I'm a big fan of sweets myself, let me tell you about some awesome Japanese desserts. Let's also touch on sweets. Japanese confections are a charming aspect of the cuisine. I'll introduce you to dengo, taiyaki, and seasonal kakigori. Dengo is made by kneading rice flour with water, forming it into balls, and then steaming or boiling it. Common toppings include sweet soy glaze and kinako, soybean flour, making these treats smooth and subtly sweet. Taiyaki is a fish-shaped cake filled with sweet red bean paste, though you can also find them with chocolate or custard. They're perfectly crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Kakigori is a shaved ice dessert that's a go-to refreshment, especially in the summer. You can top it off with syrup, red bean paste, fruit, or condensed milk. It's delightfully cool and comes in various flavors, some even featuring seasonal fruits. The smooth texture of the ice mixed with sweet flavors melts deliciously in your mouth, making it a quintessential Japanese summer treat. Japanese sweets are crafted to reflect the seasons and cultural events, offering a chance to enjoy the flavors, textures, and aesthetics that change with the time of year. Definitely give these traditional treats a try when you're here. Are you fascinated by Japanese food and culture? If you're looking for a unique adventure, consider joining a cooking class with Cooking Sun. They have studios in both Tokyo and Kyoto and offer a Wagyu and 7 Japanese dishes class for 9,000 yen, around $60. Their instructors are friendly, professional, and will guide you through creating delicious Japanese dishes. Link to Cooking Sun in the description. Pro tip: it's best to book your class at least a month in advance, as they tend to fill up quickly. So, whether you're up for a fancy meal or just a quick bite, Japan offers a wide array of dining experiences to explore. Make sure to try out different places and dive into the rich flavors of Japanese cuisine. Enjoy your culinary adventure in Japan.